Fetal Doppler monitor. How useful is that? You go onto Amazon, you could get one for probably $50, reasonable one, either 2 megahertz or 3 megahertz. Difference being 3 megahertz, you could pick up things earlier than 2 megahertz. For some of you, you really need to hear that heart. I've had a patient who it took her 10 years to get pregnant. Why would she not want to hear that sound of miracle? First of all, no harm done. And second of all, it could be very reassuring. And I say, if it'll give you a peace of mind, why not? I'm all for anything and everything to reduce your anxiety.